Hi all. Today we'll see how we can create a custom Copilot action here. So first thing is I just want to update an opportunity record from my Einstein Copilot. So for that first step is I'm going to create an invocable class. So I'll just open my developer console and I'll just create a new Apex class here. I'll just say update opportunity custom action. So in this class I'm gonna create a method named as create opportunity. This is an invocable method, so I'm going to annotate this with @invocable method, and the label I'm going to give it as update opportunity for custom copilot action. So let's add this into the description instead of label, and here in the label I'll just make it simple, update opportunity. So this create opportunity will accept a wrapper class, that is flow input. Let's create one wrapper class which accepts as a parameter. So I'm going to create a new wrapper class called as flow input, and here I'm going to add the invocable variables here. So first invocable variable, I'm going to name it as opportunity name, so it's a string type, and I'm going to add another invocable variable, name it as opportunity stage. Yeah, so this invocable method will accept this flow input as the parameter. So I'm gonna accept list of flow input. So this is something we'll get this from the Einstein Copilot. And in the similar way, I'm gonna create another wrapper class. I'll name it as flow output. So this also has two invocable variables. One is opportunity ID and the other is the message. So is it success, or if there is any error message, it will display the error message. If it's success, it will display the success message. So my invocable method will return this flow output, and here I'm gonna do one thing. So what I'm gonna do here is, so first thing is I'm gonna declare the output which I'm gonna return. Also I'll say result. Yeah, and here I'm gonna use a try catch block. And first thing is what I'm gonna do here is so I'll just create one map inside the try block only. Map of string comma string. I'll name it as opportunity name stage map, and here I'm gonna loop the flow inputs here. I'll say each input, and inside this I'm gonna put each input dot opportunity name will be the key and the opportunity stage will be my value. So map is ready. So next thing is I'm gonna query the opportunity records which I'm gonna update and say opportunity each opportunity. I'm gonna write a SQL query here, name stage from opportunity where name in opportunity name stage map dot key set. So insert this, and one more thing what I'm gonna do here is uh, let me do one thing. I can create a list of opportunity here and opportunity update list. I'll name this as. Now inside this I'm gonna say stage is equal to dot get off each opportunity dot name. For the given name, what is the stage? I'm just populating it in the stage. So I'll make use of this map here and I'll populate the stage name. And I'll just do a null check here. If the name founds, then I'm gonna update the opportunity. And simple what I'm gonna do here is I'll add this to this list. Opportunity name dot add op. Now I'm gonna make use of this and I'll do an update. And what I'm gonna do here is once the update is done, so I'm gonna return the result here. So I'm gonna return the result. So what I'm gonna do here is so I'm gonna loop the flow input every time. And here I'm gonna create a new instance of flow output. So here I'm gonna populate it. Second. So instead of opportunity ID, I'll just add opportunity name here. Same thing. And here I'm gonna say each output dot opportunity name is equal to. So I'm just returning something to the Copilot saying that this opportunity has been updated successfully, and if there is any error, I'm returning the message. So I'm gonna say each input dot opportunity name. I'm gonna tag this, and I'm gonna say each output dot message is equal to. This will be a starting message. Opportunity updated successfully. So now I'm gonna add this to the result. Result dot add each output. So this thing I'm gonna return the result here. And if there is any error, I'm gonna return the flow output, the same thing, but I'm gonna just tweak this code. Instead of message, I'll print the error message here. So our invocable class is ready. So basically it will accept flow inputs. It is going to take the opportunity name and this corresponding stage. It will query for the opportunity name and it will update the stage and it will return the response, the flow output. Either it's a successful response or a error message. So I see one problem here, no such column stage. So I think stage name is the valid API name. So I'm going to update this query and I'm going to click on save. Yeah, now my invocable class is ready. So let's go back to Salesforce again and I'll just open setup. So in the setup search box, I'm going to search for Einstein Copilot and I'm going to enable this. So I'll just enable Einstein Copilot and you can see this is the Einstein Copilot which got enabled. Let me open in Builder. So let's try, once we enable the Einstein Copilot, let's try some custom actions. I'll just click on dismiss and these are all the custom actions which are available. I'll say give me last created opportunity. So it's just analyzing the request. So these are all the standard custom actions. So now we're going to create our custom Copilot action also. Okay, so these are all the things, and you can see this is the most recent opportunity which got created. And now I'll go back to Salesforce again, and again I'll come back to setup. And this time I'm gonna select Einstein Copilot Actions, and I'll click on new Copilot action. And here I'm gonna select the Apex, and we can also call our flow or the prompt template here. So I created an Apex class, so I'll just select Apex. And here I'm going to search for the invocable method which we created. So this is the invocable method which we created just now. I'm going to select this, and if you want to change the label you can do it. I'll click on next. So now these are the instruction: update opportunity for custom Copilot action. So update opportunity stage. So I'll just name this as update opportunity stage, and input opportunity name. This represents the opportunity name field uh, on opportunity object, and I just want to make this as a required input, and I'm going to collect data from user. Similarly, this represents the opportunity stage field, stage name field on opportunity object. So I'll make it as required and make it as collect data from user. And we have this message returns, maybe we can give some instruction, returns the message whether what we can returns the message if opportunity is successfully updated or failed. And I'm gonna use this the same thing. This represents the opportunity name field, and this is also the required fields. And you can go through these options here. Here in the documentation, it provides like what does this means. Filter from Copilot action when you create a Copilot action. So you can read all these details here. And show in conversation, and I'm gonna check this show in conversation, and I'll just click on finish. So now the Copilot action is created. What I'm gonna do here is I'll again go back to Einstein Copilot, and I'll click on this Einstein Copilot, and I'll click on open in Builder. Now what I'm gonna do here is, first thing is I'm gonna deactivate this Copilot, and I'll go back to this, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click on this tab, Copilot Action Library. I'm gonna assign this custom Copilot action. I'll click on assign to Copilot. So now the custom action is assigned. Now I'll go back to the builder, and here what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna say I'll just went to opportunity tabs here, and I'll just select any of the opportunity here. Let me select mm, this edge installation, and what I'm gonna say here is update edge installation status to update edge installation opportunity stage to something. So we have different stage name values here. We have ID, need analysis, qualification. So let's try this. So update edge installation opportunity with stage name as with stage name qualification, and let's click enter, and let's see how our custom Copilot action works here. So it's analyzing our request. Yeah, and now you can see this is something which we got from the flow output. uh, the opportunity updated successfully, and this is the opportunity name. And if you go to the invocable apex, these are the flow outputs which we are returning, opportunity name and message. And you can see here, this is the message and this is the opportunity name. And if I go back to edge installation, I'll just do a refresh here, and I'll see the stage here. Now you can see the opportunity state is updated to qualification, and I can click on this active button. You can see all the details here, like this is the flow input which has been passed to the invocable, where it mentions stage as qualification, and opportunity name is the invocable variable which we created, and this is the output which we got. So this is the Copilot response which we got. And we can also use this Copilot. So we already activated this, right? And you can see this option has been enabled here. And I think there is some issue here. Let me do a refresh. Now the Copilot action is active, right? So I think there should not be no error here. Yeah, you can try the same here, the same thing here. So let's try one more scenario here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna enable this. Here I can hit the request. So I'm gonna say update this edge emergency. So here we have two opportunities with the same name here. So these two opportunities should be updated here. So I'm gonna say update opportunity edge generation emergency generator with status, and you can see right now these two are in qualification stage. I'm going to open this. So these are the two records which are in qualification stage. Now I'm going to update these two records maybe with any other stage. Let me check what stage I can update. So I'm going to say it should be updated with needs analysis stage with stage name needs analysis. So I'm going to click on enter here. So let's wait here, and you can see the opportunity has been updated here, and right now these two are in qualification stage. And let me refresh this, and you can see both the records got updated with needs analysis. Thanks for watching.